Feel free to sing along when we get to the part that you know. Okay? The louder you sing, the better we sound. Just kidding.
I saw her today at the reception. A glass of wine in her hand. She knew she would meet her connection. At her feet was a footloose man. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. But if you try sometime, you just might find you get what you need. Oh yeah, you get what you need. I went down to the demonstration to get my fair share of you, singing we're gonna vent our frustration. And down the road to Fifth Avenue, sing with us. You can't
Always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want.
But if you try sometime, you just might find you get what you need. Oh yeah, you get what you need. Went down to the Chelsea drugstore to get your prescription filled.